2024 Lamborghini Revuelto is not merely an automotive marvel. It's a testament to the fusion of artistry and engineering, meticulously crafted to redefine the very boundaries of automotive excellence. From its conceptualization to its execution, every facet of the Revuelto has been meticulously designed and engineered to deliver an unparalleled driving experience that transcends the ordinary. At the heart of this automotive masterpiece lies a formidable 6.5-liter V12 engine, meticulously honed and crafted to unleash a symphony of power and performance that resonates with enthusiasts around the globe. With an awe-inspiring 1,001 horsepower at your command, the Revuelto catapults you into a realm of unbridled excitement, where every twist of the throttle is met with an electrifying surge of acceleration that quickens the pulse and ignites the senses. Yet the true magic of the Revuelto lies in its innovative hybrid powertrain, which seamlessly integrates cutting-edge electric motor technology to elevate both performance and efficiency to unprecedented levels. The combination of a dual-axial flux front motor and a single radial flux rear motor work in perfect harmony, delivering instantaneous torque and unparalleled responsiveness, while also enhancing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions, thus ensuring a more sustainable driving experience without compromising on exhilaration. Mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, power is effortlessly channeled to all four wheels, providing maximum traction and control in any driving scenario. The result is a blistering 0-62 mph acceleration time of just 2.5 seconds, propelling you into a world where time seems to stand still and adrenaline flows freely, creating an indelible connection between man and machine. But the allure of the Revuelto extends beyond its awe-inspiring performance. Step inside the cabin, and you're enveloped in luxury and sophistication, with every detail meticulously crafted to create an ambiance of unparalleled refinement. From the sumptuous leather upholstery to the exquisite carbon fiber accents, every element speaks to Lamborghini's commitment to craftsmanship and excellence. Yet, for all its opulence, the Revuelto remains a testament to Lamborghini's unwavering dedication to innovation and progress. With a 7.4 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery providing an electric range of approximately 8 miles, the Revuelto seamlessly transitions between pure electric and hybrid modes, offering a driving experience that's as eco-conscious as it is exhilarating, thus ensuring that the thrill of driving remains uncompromised in an ever-changing world. Of course, such exclusivity comes at a price. The base model of the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto commands a starting price of $680,358, with fully equipped models reaching an estimated $700,000. But for those fortunate enough to experience its intoxicating blend of power, precision, and prestige, the Revuelto represents more than just a car. It's a work of art on wheels, a true embodiment of automotive excellence in its purest form, and a testament to the enduring legacy of the Lamborghini marque.